Hello again. Andrea Majewski here with Clean Eating Without Sacrifice with Epicure. So I wanted to show everybody our October specials, because we have some amazing stuff at the moment. So our host exclusive, which is pretty amazing here. So you will get all of this for only $25. This would normally be $57.50. So you will get all of this pumpkin spice latte instant pudding mix. You will get the pumpkin pie spice, which is over here, and our amazing, ever so popular pumpkin cheesecake mix. So all of this, if you are a host with a qualifying party. So all you have to do for that is have at least 4 people order. So it could be neighbors, friends, co-workers, it doesn't matter. And have the total sales be $250. That's it. And then you will have a qualifying party, and then you as the host can have all of this for only $25. So you actually save $32 and 50 cents. So that is pretty awesome. And then I'll show you guys the next one. So our other host exclusive is our Walktober collection. This is so popular, okay? You will actually save $79.95. So you will get the wok and the general Tao seasoning, which is a pack of 3. So popular, and of course the lid comes with it. I get so many questions if the lid comes with it. Yes, it does. This is an amazing price. Normally $149. You would only pay $70. That is amazing. Our next special, so this is our customer exclusive. So with every order of $75 or more, you will get all of this, you guys, for only $35.45. That's amazing. So you will get the 2-in-1 citrus press, the 4-in-1 spice spoon, the dip samples, which is amazing, and our fresh cheese maker, which you have got to have this if you have not had it yet. It is so easy to make your own cheese at home. Amazing. If you love cheese like I do, you will want this. Last but not least, our holiday baking collection, which I had talked about this in the last one because I was so excited. This always sells out, so if you want it, let me know. You get all of this healthy chocolate. So we're not talking the no-name chocolate where they add all kinds of stuff that you can't pronounce. This is actually the healthy stuff. All of this for only $49. So you will get milk chocolate, you will get pure cocoa, and baking powder, and that's all healthy. So if you guys are thinking of any of our October specials, let me know. I am so happy to help, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.